Louder with Crowder Studios is protected exclusively by Walther and Hopper.
I'm telling you, at some point something has to be done.
Going up against YouTube directly is a suicide mission.
Yeah, YouTube.
I don't care. The demonetizations, the restrictions, the hard strikes, it's gotta stop. And if we don't do something soon, there won't be a mug club left to save.
I'm just glad to be here.
Hey, kid. So what do you plan to do about the 310 tumblers, Jack?
Hey, Bob.
You leave the 310 tumblers to me. But right now, we've got to take care of YouTube.
Riding through this world all alone. You gotta take your soul, you're on your own. The crow flies straight, gotta raise some hell before they take you down. Gotta live this life, gotta look this world in the eye. I gotta live this life.